Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day when we fell in love.
Since childhood, my father always wanted to be a helper and a useful child for everyone. My father was born on Saturday, April 21st, 1984, in Bondowoso, East Java, Indonesia. Mr. Sudianto and Mrs. Tony Jati are the names of my father's parents. My father is the second of 3 children. Mr. Sudianto worked as a civil service police unit, and Mrs. Tony Jati was a cake maker. Mrs. Tony Jati died in 2009 when my father was 25 years old. Her talent for making cakes was then passed on to her younger sister. Mr. Sudianto died in 2012. At the time, my father was 28 years old. On July 21st, 1991, my father went to school at SDN Taman Sariwan, Bondowoso. My father always went to school on foot because the distance from my father's house to school was only about 200 meters. On June 12, 1997, my father was declared to have graduated from SDN Taman Sariwan, Bondowoso and continue his journey in the world of education by taking junior high school, which started on July 21st, 1997. SLTP Negeri 3 Bondowoso is my father's school. During junior high school, my father met my mother. Mostly when my father played volleyball, my father was accompanied by my mother. Impressive experience began to emerge when my father entered high school. On July 17, 2000, my father was accepted at SMU Negeri 3 Bondowoso. My father was chairman of the intra-school student organization for the period 2001 until 2002. However, being busy as chairman of an intra-school student organization did not stop my father from making achievement during his high school years. My father often won championship in volleyball competition or received class rankings. It didn't stop there. My father also received a traffic order pioneer certificate. When my father graduated from school on June 5, 2003, my father migrated to Bali to become a construction worker, invited by my uncle. In 2005, my father returned to Bondowoso, and on November 25, 2005, my father and my mother got married. For almost 19 years, my mother and my father were married. They were blessed with 3 children. Their children's names were Zafatia Rindita Priani, Aryata Madui Priyatno, and Askia Triauri Priani. On 3rd May 2019, my father applied at one of the hotels in Bondowoso to become a security guard. But for approximately 5 months, my father worked Mustika Pratama training to become a permanent employee. My father took part in security guard training for approximately 2 weeks at the East Java Police Mobile Brigade on 13 until 24th June 2022. Even while attending training, my father did not stop getting achievement. My father became the best student in the field of mental personality at the time. In every process I do, I never stop wanting to make my father proud of me. For you, my father, thank you for teaching me many things, not to give up in everything. Thank you for being a great figure in this family. And I don't know how much thanks I can say, but what you have to know, I'm very proud of you. I hope your day is full of happiness, and I hope you'll be useful for everyone. My father always says to me,
If you want to be successful, then try as hard as you can.